First, let's remove all the packaging materials. So here you can find few tools, charger, a pair of pedals, now align the handlebar to its position and tighten the bolt. Let's put the pedal L for left, R for right. Let's plug in the key, and this is how you remove the seat and the battery pack. Let's power on the display. Check the indicators, headlight switch, brake lever, throttle. Let's check all the basic functions. And we are ready to hit the road.